Faux Calligraphy Basics. Creating beautiful calligraphy is easier than you think. Forget brush pens and nibs. Here's a quick and easy way to up your penmanship game using the pens you already have in your pen case. Downstrokes and upstrokes. This is a downstroke. This happens every time you pull your pen tip down when writing a letter. This is an upstroke. This occurs every time you pull the pen tip up when writing a letter. The most important thing to keep in mind is that in calligraphy, downstrokes are heavy, while upstrokes are light. You can see this in action here with a brush pen. We will be mimicking this look with our trusty Zebra Sarasa gel pen. Let's begin. Step 1. Use cursive to write out your word. Make sure you give enough space between the letters. Step 2. Mark the downstrokes by creating lines parallel to them and then connecting the lines. Step 3. Fill in the outlines that you drew. That's it! You can apply this technique using any pen. Here are some of our favorites. There's nothing classier than invites on black paper. The super opaque Signo broad gel pen in white really pops against black cardstock. Fineliners are great for adding bold headings to school notes. We like the Stabilo .88 for its wide range of colors. We're using chalk markers on chalkboards and poster boards to create cute signage. These Marvy Uchida Bistro chalk markers come in an assortment of fun colors. Spruce up school presentations on whiteboards with faux calligraphy. The Pilot Boardmaster whiteboard marker is super pigmented, yet erases in one swipe. We hope we've inspired you to try your hand at faux-ligraphy. Be sure to check out our other calligraphy videos for more tips and tricks at JetPens.com.